Hi guys, it's Chen. Welcome back to my sewing vlog. In today's video, we're going to make two things. The first one is a sweatshirt, which I got a really pretty purple fabric for it. And the second one, you probably already see from the thumbnail, it's a cute little dress. Let's get started. Recently, I've been wanting a pair of knee-length shorts. All the shorts I own are short shorts. They're okay for at home, like loungewear, but to go out, I think they're a bit risky. I want my shorts length to be like every man's shorts length, so I don't feel even slightly insecure. They are not too hard to make. I used an old pattern I had, adjusted the length and the waist, pinned the pieces together at the center, front and back, then brought them to my sewing machine. It took only about 2 hours. Hi guys, so yesterday I was doing some laundry, so I just grabbed a baby top that I usually don't wear, and it was super cropped. Then for less than an hour I started to have lower back pain, but I didn't think that was a big of deal. So I continued to finish this short. You know, the shorts turned out pretty good, but then my lower back pain is getting worse and worse. So today I woke up not be able to, you know, straight up my torso. Yeah, that's the problem. I think I'm at the age not available for crop top anymore, you know. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, today I'm just gonna take a break, you know, stay in bed, and hopefully tomorrow I can get better. Alright, see ya. Here's the picture of me on my way to buy breakfast with a band bag.
4 to 6 days later.
Oh hey, here you are. Here's my fit check today. Boom, a boom, a boom. Yep, and I even added a pocket. You can see these little cherries. But since I don't have the same colored fabric, so the pockets are actually from the left fabric of this outfit. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. Also, here's another thing I want to show you guys. Wait me a second. I got a super cool file folder for my small patterns. Like, you can see all that different patterns I used before, all in this folder. But this case is a little boring, so right now we're going to decorate. I got some where is it? Where is it? I got some that's okay. I got some really cute stickers here. Let's put it on this file folder. Alright, let's see. Oh, look how cute these are. Okay, let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. So cute. I love it. Alright guys, today I feel so much better. As you can see, I can stand up straight. But my back still have a little bit pain, so I decided to ignore it for right now, because I really wanna get to work. So today I'm gonna use this fabric. Yep, I'm gonna use this fabric. Actually, when I bought it, I thought I was getting a lighter shade of blue, but I end up getting this. I'm not 100% happy about this, but let's see what can we do. Now I'm thinking like a short skirt with 2 layers and the top like a triangle piece. That's what I'm thinking about. So let's start cutting. Here's a tutorial. Fold the fabric into 2 layers. Draw a half circle with a needle as the center point and the thread as the radius. Cut it out and fold them into 2 triangles. Sew them close at the side and top stitch the bottom. Then pull the thread and ruffle it. Oh, also don't forget about the straps. Okay, I'm not so sure, but is this a little small? What do we think? I really don't know. I guess it's fine. Alright, I guess it's fine. It's fine. Let's continue. Now I'm gonna make a belt to attach with this, and also it can tie on the back. I folded my fabric twice, made a long strip, but at the center I raised it about 2 centimeters. I didn't measure it, I basically just eyeballed this entire dress, which is why it's so easy to make, cause no pattern is needed. I sewed the cups to the belt part. Those cups were too small, so I remade bigger ones. I'm so glad that I did that, cause the previous cups literally fits like a tiny bikini. Okay, this is what I have so far. What do we think? Here's the back. Then I folded my fabric twice and cut a circle. The flat length of the circle is equal to the hip circumference. Mine is 94. I bunched half of the circle and attached it to the front of the top. Honestly, you can stop here if you prefer a cute little top, but I wanted a dress, so I made another circle which is bigger than the first one. So radius of this circle is radius of your first circle plus width of your first circle plus 5 to 10 centimeters. Oh, then I hemmed the bottom. Okay guys, I'm 99% finishing this cute little dress. The last step I have to do is to finish this piece of lining, like fold it inside and sew it on top, and then add elastic onto the back of the skirt part. Then that's done. I'll see you when it's finished. Alright, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Subscribe. Bye.